Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making alternative to Gulab Jamun. It's very healthy and yummy in taste. Must try recipe. Boiled sweet potato 200 grams. Mash well. Some benefits of sweet potato: good for gut health, stabilize blood sugar, reduce inflammation, good for vision, boost immunity, improves brain function, help in weight loss, keep your heart healthy. Now add milk powder 2 tablespoons. Jawar flour 2 tablespoons. Mix everything. Make fine dough. Now dough is ready. Take small size balls. If you guys want, you can fry in oil. I am using air fryer. Air fry for 20 minutes on 200 degrees. If you want sugar syrup, you can add. I am using honey. Honey 2 to 3 tablespoons on top. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.